I'm going to show you how I made over $76,605 by simply copying and pasting websites. And no, you don't have to build out a fancy course. You don't have to deal with customer service. You don't have to even create a product. I'm going to show you how you can start making passive income by simply sharing websites, aka funnels, and start making money. And if you stick with me till the end of this video, I'm going to allow you to use the exact same resources that allowed me to win a free truck and make over 7 figures in my online business. And by using this exact same strategy, I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job within 9 months. Hey, what's up, you guys? My name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And the purpose of this channel is to teach you how to build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom. Guys, I used to work a 9-to-5 job that I absolutely hated. I started this online business in May of 2019. And since I started this business, I've been able to quit my 9-to-5 job, build a 7-figure business, and build a life of true financial and time freedom. If that's what you're looking to do, guys, please subscribe to my channel because I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. Let's get into the video. Now, with this strategy that I'm going to show you in this video, it's simply by leveraging affiliate marketing, which is the exact same business model that allowed me to leave my 9-to-5 job. Now, what we're going to be doing is providing a ton of value by giving away done-for-you funnels, done-for-you websites that allows people to get a result very quickly. Now, why are we doing affiliate marketing? Well, simply because I believe affiliate marketing is the best business model for a complete beginner. All you have to worry about is copying and pasting websites, which I'm going to show you in this video, and then you're going to make money on the back end. Now, the cool thing about what I'm about to show you is not only can you make money with one program, but I'm going to show you how you can make money with multiple programs, aka passive income and monthly reoccurring commissions. And guys, I've been able to help over 30,000 students with this exact same method, these exact same resources, start their online business and get on the path to leaving their 9-to-5 job. So I'm really excited to show you these exact same resources, these funnels, these websites that's going to allow you to start making money online. Now, the main product that we're going to be promoting today is ClickFunnels, and I'm going to show you exactly why and why I love this program. Now, guys, this is my ClickFunnels affiliate dashboard, and as you can see here, in the last 30 days, we've done over $7,400. This is by simply copying and pasting websites. Now, guys, if you've never heard of ClickFunnels, it's essentially a software that allows people to create websites, funnels from the ground up. This is actually what I use to build my online business. You can see that I use this software to not only promote it, but I also use it to build my online business. Now, guys, what we're going to be talking about is how do we actually give away funnels? How do we actually give away websites that not only help you as the affiliate, but also help the customer? So if I go to funnels right here, I'm going to show you how I give away funnels to not only complete beginners, but also people that already have businesses like chiropractors or doctors or dentists, someone that needs more leads, needs more sales, right? That's the goal, right? We're trying to help people get a result by giving them a done-for-you funnel, done-for-you website. And that's how I've been able to generate over $76,000 just with one company. So how do we actually make money by copying and pasting websites and using this exact same method? Well, think of it like this, right? If you're a local business owner, like a chiropractor, you own a restaurant, the main thing that you want is more customers. You want more leads to your business, right? So you being the affiliate or someone promoting ClickFunnels, basically what you can do is build out a done-for-you website and simply give that to the business owner. That's going to be a win-win situation because now they're going to have a done-for-you funnel, done-for-you website. They don't have to go and learn the software. With a click of a button, they could simply grab a website or a funnel and start generating leads to their business. Now, the way you start making money is when someone signs up for ClickFunnels, they enter their credit card, they pay $100 to even $300 a month, and that's when you start making money. You as the affiliate make anywhere between 30 to 40%. So if someone is paying $100 a month, you're getting $40 per month as the affiliate, and that's with one person. And if you think about it, once you get more and more people that's when you can start making more money, monthly reoccurring income for the rest of your life. But at the end of the day, we're helping the business owner, we're helping a complete beginner get started, get more leads, get more sales by using this software. And that's the cool thing with ClickFunnels, because you can build out this website and you could simply give that to somebody with one click or one link. Now, the first step to starting this is to simply figure out a niche of people that you can serve, because you don't want to serve everyone. You want to pick one niche and you want to just serve those people, right? It could also be online course creators, affiliate marketers. Figure out how you can help them. And for me, my niche was helping people get out of their 9-to-5 job, right? Which I'm going to show you, and I'm going to give you a funnel as well, which is going to help you get started on the path of quitting that 9-to-5 job. Okay. Now, once you figure out a niche, you can start figuring out, okay, how much people do I need to quit my 9-to-5 job to make a certain amount of income, right? Let me give you this scenario. Let's just say that you want to help dentists get more customers to their local practice, right? So let's just say we have 100 dentists and they're all paying $100 a month. Now you're generating over $10,000 in revenue. With that, you're gonna get 40% commission. So you're gonna get $4,000 per month. Now, another cool thing that I forgot to mention with the ClickFunnels affiliate program is once you get 100 people under you, you actually get a free car. It's called the Dream Car Program. And that's exactly how I want a free truck. Check out this video right here where I'll show you exactly how I want a free truck with the ClickFunnels affiliate program. Now, the cool thing about doing this is you don't have to charge the chiropractor, the dentist, whoever you're trying to help. You don't have to charge them by giving them a website. You can literally tell them, hey, I want to give you a free funnel, a free website that's going to help you generate more leads, more customers to your business, and I'm going to give it to you absolutely free, right? Very simple. You just send them literally a link. That link is going to allow them to create an account. And obviously, once they pay for that account, that's where you start making money as the affiliate. Now, guys, that's the first way to start making money with this method, is by simply creating these funnels and giving them to local business owners and start making money that way. Now, the only downside to this is you have to learn how to use the software, you have to learn the niche, and you have to figure out how you're going to start getting customers. I want to show you a better method, and that's by partnering with me. And I'm going to be giving you guys the funnel and the resources to give out as your own. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Now, what I've done is I created this funnel that over 30,000 of my students have been using. And basically what it is giving out a free book. And this book allows you to generate email leads for your business. Most importantly, make more money on the back end. Okay, so let me kind of explain what this means. Okay, so now I allow you to copy and paste this book and funnel. And in the book, I literally allow you to swap out my affiliate links or your links. Okay, now the cool thing about this book is, you know, it's a whole book that teaches someone how to quit their 9-to-5 job and become a super affiliate. But the powerful thing about it is we promote multiple programs within this book. Things like ClickFunnels, Legendary Marketer, GetResponse, System.io. There are multiple programs within this book, and I allow you to switch out my links or your links. So now all you have to do as the affiliate is simply promote the free book, right? Because what the book is going to allow you to do is collect email leads so you can now promote multiple programs and start building up your business. Now, here's another example of how this works. This is called the affiliate stacking ecosystem, which is something that I created in Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. Okay, so basically I'm going to be giving you this opt-in page. I'm going to be giving you this book, okay? Because what you're going to be doing is you're giving them a free book in exchange for an email where you can now start promoting multiple offers, start promoting your personal brand. And this is how I've helped literally over 30,000 students start their online business. This is what built my 7-figure business and allowed me to leave my 9-to-5 job. And as you can see, not only am I making money with ClickFunnels, I'm making money with multiple offers on the back end. Now, let me just kind of show you, as I showed you before, this is just ClickFunnels, but with this book, we're promoting multiple offers like GetResponse, where I've done over $11,000 here, you know, over $16,000 with this program here. This program here, as you can see, Thrive Cards, you know, I'm making money with multiple programs. And I only show you this because this is very powerful, guys. This is the affiliate stacking ecosystem. This is how you promote multiple programs. But at the end of the day, we're helping that customer get the result that they need. Now, if you want to partner with me, if you want to copy my exact same funnel, this exact same book, so you can literally promote this as your own, then I want to invite you to my 3-day business breakthrough challenge, where that's where you're going to get complete access to the book, to the funnel, and I'm going to show you exactly how to start using this, even if you're a complete beginner. Now, obviously, I practice what I preach, right? I showed you in the beginning of this video that I'm literally giving away funnels, I'm giving away resources, and because I know at the end of the day, people are gonna need these resources to get the result that they want, right? You, as someone trying to, quit their 9-to-5 job, start affiliate marketing, I'm giving you the resources, giving you the tools that you need to start your online business and get on the path to leaving the 9-to-5 job. And that's what I want you to understand as an affiliate marketer, is that we can help people by simply giving them done for you funnels, done for you resources, which is going to help them build their online business from the bottom up. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions down below on how I've done over $76,000 just with one program by simply copying and pasting websites. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video, and God bless.